Hello and welcome, viewers. So we have a little something special here. We went to a restaurant in Sedgefield. It's called the Oysters Edge and it's located on the Swartfly River Lagoon. It looks like a house really, and inside it's absolutely beautiful. It overlooks the lagoon on a nice deck there, and inside there's artwork that you can purchase from local artists as well. We spent about 3 hours there just chatting to the host, enjoying a wonderful meal, starting with some cocktails here. You can see different color cocktails. Just having a bit of fun. And here's my starter. It's deep fried camembert cheese with strawberry Kool-Aid. Now this was spectacular. I didn't expect something as beautiful as this on a plate. Yeah, it's really mind-blowing. And my wife, she had like peri chicken livers with a bit of bread on the side, homemade bread. It tasted very nice. No complaints there as well. So for my main dish, I decided to get the sole. It's a grilled sole served with lemon butter, fresh seasonal vegetables and chips. You can also have a side salad as an optional extra. My wife got the calzone. It's like a fold of a pizza pie for those who haven't seen it yet or tasted one. It has mozzarella cheese, ham, salami, onion and mushrooms. You could also get like a small side salad. This place is wonderful. 8.5 out of 10 really. Remember to like and subscribe, check out more of our videos and enjoy. Here's some more photos of the food we had at the Oysters Edge in Sedgefield, Western Cape. Until next time.